It clearly shows the failure of this MK Stalin-led government. And after 3 years, suddenly the police are able to trace the video files and audio files, which they couldn't make a headway in the last 3 years of time. Clearly indicates that people who have filed a complaint are being framed in this issue. That's what their ally also are saying. The ally demand is VCK and other ally demands is that they should be handed over to the CBI. For Kallakurichi, where 68 people lost their lives, AIDMK has to fight it out in the court to seek a CBI inquiry, and which has just started last week. It clearly shows how incompetent this government and governance is. And people are being framed for gains, political gains, so that DMK can just beat that they have given the social justice, they have delivered the social justice as claimed by its leader MK Stalin.
Sir, on your comment about the government, particular.
Governor sometimes plays the role of a politician, and many times he forgets that he is the governor of a state. And stepping onto the shores of a politician is only benefiting DMK to build a narrative. There are so many burning issues that is happening across the state, starting from this Anna University molestation. Who is that, sir? There is no answer for it. Our girl children were being beaten in Punjab in the sports competition, and there is no responsible answers, there is no accountability. This government has failed in each and every strata of their governance. The incompetence is of the highest standard by MK Stalin. Rather than focusing on the mundane and the perennial issues to give solutions, this governor comes as a savior every time to safeguard DMK. If these were to be the blatant remarks by governor, what has he done within his capacity to give a headway or a solution to those issues which he has raised? Starting from 10 lakh people doesn't have land records, or the university is run by the secretariat. So many blatant allegations. It is the same governor who read out saying that Tamil Nadu is the safest state for women and children. So the only point which MK Stalin also made is, please don't change the governor because he is the one who is helping us to stay afloat and stay alive, has come out true. Governor should stop helping DMK and deviate from the core issues which are ranging in Tamil Nadu. You have to make MK Stalin accountable and his Council of Ministers accountable for the corruption scam. Kadir Anand has gone to ED inquiry for 10 hours, and there is 1.5 crores of assets being confiscated by ED for another minister, Anita Radhakrishnan. And there is a minister who is going to the bail